G'day guys, Matt here from the Goulburn Young Farmers Network. Along with the DPI's Young Farmers Business Program, we're bringing the first bank ready workshop to town next Wednesday night, 6 to 9 p.m. at the Workers Club in Goulburn. It's just a finance based workshop, all completely free. Just aimed at young farmers, helping them out when it comes to seeking finance, whether that's for livestock, property or machinery. We've got an agribusiness finance lender on hand to help us out and answer all your questions. You can jump on the link below, just book your seat, come along, have some pizza, have a chat to some finance lenders, and the DPI is going to be there to answer all your questions as well. All completely free next Wednesday night, 6 to 9 p.m. at the Workers Club. See you all there. Cheers.